You've seen us review Sudio products on this channel multiple times before, and each time the Swedish brand never ceases to amaze. This time, however, we're going to be taking a look at their latest and more importantly, most affordable pair of earbuds, the Sudio Nio, which costs 359 ringgit. At that price, however, how does it stack up? Let's find out.
If I could summarize what my first impressions are of the Nio, I'd say it's simplicity done well. The design of the earbuds personify this sentiment, and the Nio comes in a clean looking case with the Sudio logo adorned on the front. Along with a single LED placed below, there's a USB Type-C charging port placed at the side and not much else. If I could criticize the case design for one thing, however, it would be that it picks up scratches way too easily. The good thing is the Nio comes in 3 more very nice colors, and if you get the ones that are lighter, like sand and white, the problem shouldn't be as prominent. When it comes to the earbud design, it shares the same aesthetic with the case. The Nio offers 4 different wingtip sizes to choose from, and ironically, the one that fits me the best is the one without wings.
I do need to note, however, that the ear tips do pick up dust quite easily, but Sudio sells a care kit that comes with tools to help you better clean your earbuds.
The tools that come in this Sudio care kit includes a dust-free cloth, 1 hygiene guide, 2 deep clean swabs, 1 mini brush, and a cleansing sponge.
With the ear tips that I chose, they stay snug in my ears without feeling too uncomfortable, and there is a lightness and looseness to it that I like. What I also like about the Sudio Nio is the fuss-free pairing process, which I find is consistently easy across the different devices that I use. Simply go to the Bluetooth menu and hit pair. Like all earbuds, the pairing process doesn't always work, but for the Sudio Nio, the troubleshooting process can be as easy as placing the earbuds back in the case and taking it back out.
Now comes the most important aspect of any pair of earbuds, its audio performance. The Nio produces pretty heavy bass, and do note that the level of said bass differs depending on how well they fit, so choose your ear tips carefully. For me, I get the most balanced audio out of the tips with no wings, but despite that, heavy bass is still the order of the day. If you're into hip-hop or dance music or want to catch an action flick, this will be right up your alley. However, with vocal-heavy tunes, the bass can overpower the mids and highs. On a more positive note, the Nio offers pretty good depth, and if you're in a particularly noisy environment, the Nio can go quite loud without sounding too harsh. Speaking of, the earbuds come with adaptive dual mic technology that help filter out external noise during phone calls so your voice remains clear. The mic picks up voices splendidly, even in an environment where I get bombarded with noise from traffic and passing trains. What also impressed me was the low latency. The Nio connects via Bluetooth 5.0, and watching YouTube or Netflix is perfectly fine with these. Next, the earbuds feature a small but sufficient selection of practical touch controls that allow you to turn off or on your device by long tapping it, pause and play audio with 1 tap, skip tracks with 2, and adjust volume with 3. For calls, single tap to answer, long tap for 2 seconds to decline, and long press for 3 seconds to hang up the call. These controls work well, but sometimes maybe a little too well. It's very easy to trigger the controls when you're just adjusting the earbuds. The best workaround to this is to grab them by the stem. The Nio also has IPX4 water resistance rating, so you'll be fine during a heavy workout session or in pouring rain. Lastly, another big selling point for the Sudio Nio is its impressive battery life. Along with the charging case, you're gonna get up to 20 hours of music playtime. Charging the case back up to full takes about an hour or so, which is perfectly fine. Like mentioned before, the USB Type-C charging port is placed on the side, meaning you can lay your case flat on the table while you're charging it. It's a small but thoughtful design choice by Sudio, so you don't have to awkwardly prop it up like on some other brands.
So there you have it, the Sudio Nio is a fuss-free pair of earbuds that is as reliable as they come. It fits well, it has great battery life, and is great for listening to bassy tunes or watching action movies with. For 359 ringgit, you're getting pretty good value here with the Sudio Nio. To sweeten the deal, Sudio is offering every single one of you a 15% discount on the Sudio Nio, plus free worldwide shipping and 3 years of international warranty. Go to our description box or comment section below to get the promo code.